Theory of planned behavior. The theory of planned behavior, TPB, is a psychological theory that predicts an individual's intention to engage in a behavior at a specific time and place. It's an extension of the theory of reasoned action, TRA, and is widely used in health psychology, marketing, and other fields to understand and predict human behavior. Here's a breakdown of the key components of the TPB. 1. Attitude toward the behavior. This refers to an individual's positive or negative evaluation of performing the behavior. It's influenced by beliefs about the likely consequences of the behavior and the evaluation of those consequences. For example, someone might have a positive attitude towards exercising if they believe it will improve their health and they value good health. 2. Subjective norm. This refers to the perceived social pressure to perform or not perform the behavior. It's influenced by beliefs about what important others, like family, friends, peers, think they should do and their motivation to comply with those beliefs. For example, someone might feel pressure to exercise if their friends and family encourage them to do so. 3. Perceived behavioral control, PBC. This refers to an individual's perception of their ability to perform the behavior. It's influenced by beliefs about the presence of factors that may facilitate or hinder the behavior. Essentially, it's about how easy or difficult someone believes it will be to perform the behavior. For example, someone might feel they have high perceived behavioral control over exercising if they have access to a gym and feel confident in their ability to do the exercises. 4. Intention. This is the immediate antecedent of behavior. It reflects an individual's readiness to perform the behavior. It's influenced by attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. A strong intention is more likely to lead to the actual behavior. 5. Behavior. This is the actual action performed by the individual. It's influenced by intention and, in some cases, directly by perceived behavioral control. How the TPB works. The theory proposes that attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control influence intention, which in turn influences behavior. Perceived behavioral control can also have a direct effect on behavior, particularly when individuals have limited control over the situation. Applications. Health psychology. Predicting and promoting healthy behaviors, like exercise, diet, smoking cessation. Marketing. Understanding consumer behavior and developing effective marketing campaigns. Environmental psychology. Predicting and promoting environmentally friendly behaviors. Organizational behavior. Understanding employee behavior and improving organizational performance. Key strengths. It considers both individual and social influences on behavior. It accounts for perceived control, which is a significant factor in many behaviors. By understanding the key components of the TPB, researchers and practitioners can gain valuable insights into the factors that influence human behavior and develop effective strategies to promote desired behaviors.